Hello friends, hope so you all are fine. Today I am here with new question which is m cube plus m square which is equal to 10 and we have to find the value of m. So let's start. We have a question m cube plus m square which is equal to 810. So m cube plus m square which is equal to, we will break 810 into its prime factorization which are 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 4, and it can also be written as 10 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 4. So from here we can write it as 10 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 4 is same as 81. So it will be same m cube plus m square and again m cube plus m square which is equal to, we can write 10 as 9 plus 1 and 81 can be written as 9 square. Now again we will simplify it. We will multiply 9 square in the bracket, so it will become 9 square into 9 will become 9 cube plus 9 square into 1 means 9 square and m cube plus n square as it is. Now we can write it as m cube plus n square minus 9 cube minus 9 square and it is equal to 0. Now we will combine cube terms. M cube minus 9 cube plus m square minus 9 square. You can see here it is the form of a cube minus b cube and it is the form of a square minus b square, and we know that a square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b, and a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now we will use these formulas in the above equation, which is so here we have a is equal to m and b is equal to 9, so it will become a minus b means m minus 9 and a square means m square plus ab means 9m plus b square means 9 square plus a square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b, so it will become m minus 9, m plus 9, and this full equation is equal to 0. Now we have m minus 9 is common in both terms, so it will become m minus 9 and it will become m square plus 9m plus 9 square will be equal to 81, and from here we have plus m plus 9 which is equal to 0. Now we will add or subtract like terms. So m minus 9 is, and from here m square, this 9m and this m will become 10m, and this 81 and 9 will become 90 which is equal to 0. So from here we have two factors which are m minus 9 and this is a quadratic form which are equal to 0. So here we have two cases that m minus 9 is equal to 0 and m square plus 10m plus 90 is equal to 0. So from here we can get the value of m, which is m is equal to 9. Now we will find the value of m from this quadratic form. First of all, we will take its discriminant and check it that the solution is possible or not. So we will take its discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac. So b squares means a is equal to 1, b is equal to 10 and c is equal to 90 here. So it will become 10 square minus 4 times 1 into 90. So it will become 100 minus 360, which is equal to minus 260, which is less than 0. So it means it has no real solution. So the value of m is equal to 9 is our, so the value of 9 is, so we can get the value of m is 9. Now we will check that the value of m is equal to 9 satisfy our given equation or not. Okay, to check, m is equal to 9. Now we will put the value of 9 here. It will become 9 cube plus 9 square, which is equal to 810, and 9 cube will be equal to 729, and 9 square is equal to 81, which is equal to 810. Now we will add them, so it will be equal to 810 and it is also equal to 810. It's mean the value of m is equal to 9 satisfy our given equation. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.